Creating a website in Webflow involves a straightforward process that leverages its visual design tools and powerful features. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Sign up and log in. Create a Webflow account if you haven't already, then log into your dashboard. Start a new project. Click on New Project and choose either a blank canvas to start from scratch or select a template that fits your project's needs. Design your pages. Use Webflow's intuitive designer tool to add elements like text, images, buttons, and forms to your canvas. Drag elements from the left panel onto your page and position them as desired. Style your website. Customize the design of your elements using the right panel's style settings. Adjust colors, fonts, sizes, margins, and more to match your brand's identity. Create navigation and structure. Add navigation links, headers, footers, and other structural elements using pre-built components or custom sections. Make your website responsive. Switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views using Webflow's responsive design tools. Adjust layouts and styles for each breakpoint to ensure a seamless experience across devices. Add interactivity and animations. Enhance user engagement by adding interactions and animations using Webflow's Interactions panel. Create effects triggered by scroll, hover, or click events. Preview and test. Use Webflow's preview mode to see how your site looks and behaves. Test on different devices to ensure responsiveness and functionality. Publish your website. Once satisfied with your design, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Choose to publish to Webflow's hosting or export the code to host elsewhere.